In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a smart routing form in Calendly from start to finish. First, go to Calendly and log in. Once you're on your homepage, look for the routing section. This is where you'll design a simple form that guides people to the right next step without back and forth emails. Open the routing tab to get started. Click the option to create a new routing form, then give it an internal name. This name is just for you and your team, so make it clear and descriptive, something that reflects the audience or use case. A good name now makes it easier to manage multiple forms later. Next, build out your questions. Add basics like name and email, and include any qualifying details you need, such as company size, role, or region. You can choose from different input types: short text, radio buttons, checkboxes, or dropdowns. So pick what makes answers easiest and most consistent. Mark questions as required only when they're essential. The fewer hurdles your invitee faces, the higher the completion rate. Keep labels short, use plain language, and arrange questions in a logical order so the form feels quick and purposeful. With your questions ready, switch to the Routing Logic tab. Here's where the form becomes smart. Create rules that direct people based on their answers. For example, if company size is greater than 500, route them to your enterprise path. If it's smaller, send them to a standard path. Think through each scenario you care about and set a clear condition and destination. If possible, set a default or catch-all rule so no one hits a dead end. Now define where each path goes. You can send someone directly to a specific event type to book time, display a custom message if scheduling isn't the next step, or forward them to another URL, like a resource page or a tailored intake form. Choose the destination that matches the intent: fast scheduling for qualified leads, a helpful note for those who aren't a fit yet, or a link when more context is needed. Before you share anything, use the preview form feature. Test multiple answer combinations to confirm every rule routes to the correct destination and fix any mismatches. When everything looks good, publish the form. You'll get a shareable link and an embed code. Share the link in emails or messages, or embed the form on your site or landing page to meet people where they are. That's it. Your routing form is live, clear, and working for you.